No, 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 no. I'm not talking about the self love where you go for a facial or buy the newest cream to look beautiful. No, no, I'm not talking about the self love where you treat yourself, take yourself out for a coffee or a movie or a shopping just to escape the reality. No, no, no. I'm not talking about going to a party just to impress your friends or wearing a good dress, makeup. I'm talking about the self love where you stop chasing approval from the outside and start giving approval to yourself. I'm talking about the self love where you forgive yourself for your past mistakes instead of replaying that in your mind. True self love is not what you do to cover that emptiness over here. It's about who you become when you embrace yourself fully, flaws and all. I'm not talking about that self love where you give your time होइन where you watch a movie जहाँ तपाईँ आफैलाई pamper गर्नुहुन्छ. I'm not talking about that kind of self love, hey. And you eat whatever you want. See, I'm talking about that kind of self love where you give time to yourself, where you find yourself. जहाँ तपाईँ बिहानै उठेर आफैलाई नरिस गर्नुहुन्छ, एउटा सेल्फ केयर गर्नुहुन्छ, एउटा योगा मेडिटेसन गरेर आफ्नो माइन्डलाई पिस दिनुहुन्छ. आइएम टकिङ अबाउट द्याट काइन्ड अफ सेल्फ लभ जहाँ तपाईँले डिसाइड गर्नुहुन्छ कि मैले यो खाँदाखेरि हेल्दी हो, मैले यो जङ्क खाएर बाहिर गएर खायो भने इट्स अनहेल्दी भनेर वेयर यु डिसाइड टु इट प्रपर गुड फुड फर यर सेल्फ. यहाँ चाहिँ आइएम नट टकिङ अबाउट द्याट काइन्ड अफ सेल्फ लभ जहाँ तपाईँ आफैलाई ढाँटिरहेर just because you want to impress someone else outsiderलाई इम्प्रेस गर्नु खोज्नु हुँदैछ. I'm not talking about that kind of self love है त. I'm talking about that kind of self love where you can speak the truth for yourself. जहाँबाट तपाईँ जुन कुरा तपाईँलाई मन पर्दैन, मैले यो कुरा मन पर्दैन भन्नु सक्ने, where you stand for yourself. I'm talking about such kind of self-love. Talking about the self-love where you keep yourself first, where you make yourself priority. जहाँ तपाईँको भ्यालु हुँदैन, जहाँ तपाईँले रेस्पेक्ट छैन, जहाँ तपाईँको सेल्फ वर्थ छैन, त्यस्तो जग्गाबाट तपाईँहरू निस्किनु सक्नुहुने. I'm talking about such kind of self-love.